Alright, welcome back to NewZeroland. So we've been reading the comments and everybody says that Jen needs a new bike. So it's time to go shopping.
We're going shopping!
This shopping trip requires a short flight back down to the South Island, but it's to test ride a very special bike. And we figured instead of importing a bike from overseas like we usually do, it makes more sense to see what's available in New Zealand first. So our plan is to go around to all the local shops and test ride as many electric motorcycles as we can to show what you can get in New Zealand and how they all compare. Christchurch isn't exactly local to us, but like I said, this is a special bike. Welcome to Christchurch! So the first bike on our list of bikes to ride is the Sur-Ron Stormby, and we had to come all the way to Christchurch to ride one. Super excited! Electric dirt bike! At the moment, Black Sheep Trading is the only shop that has a Stormby. They actually sell a bunch of electric bikes and also have a light bee, so we couldn't pass up the chance to ride one of those too. And this one was modified. It had a seat raiser and a pretty sweet Red Bull livery. Our test rides were super short, just down the street and back, just to get a feel for the bikes. So these were our super quick first impressions. First ride on the Sur-Ron. See what she thinks.
Oh my god, it's so wobbly. I don't feel very confident on this thing at all. Whee! Oh, maybe I will go on the street. Okay. I'll go down this road. Oh boy. Oh. I don't know how to ride a bicycle. It wobbles back and forth a lot. Do I stand? Is that... Oh, standing is good. Standing's real nice. Alright. Oh, front brake. I went to go brake with my foot, and that was not a thing. It's so wobbly.
So wobbly.
Like when I'm going, it's like the whole time.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because it's
Maybe
light?
Huh, yeah.
Ah.
But I don't feel confident on bicycles.
Oh, okay.
And so it scared me. But yeah, it goes like this.
Oh yeah. Huh, weird. Let's try
It's
that.
cool.
How's the power?
It's good. I think I got it to like, fuzzy boy my fish. I think I got it to like 50. I definitely saw a 47. I don't know if it got higher.
That's cool.
Or not. And I tried to stand on the pegs to see if that worked out. Having the rear brake in the front is weird because I went to go brake with my foot.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, ah!
Front brake, rear brake. No foot pegs at all. I mean, no levers, just foot pegs. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, very much mountain bike with too much power. That's exciting.
It's scary.
Do you want to ride that one?
Nope. Nope.
No. Jen's too short.
It's too big.
It's too big.
Too boku.
Too buku. Alright.
Look at this guy coming in on the scooter. He's coming in hot.
Yeah. Yeah, electric scooter.
Get it.
Oh, this is pretty tall. Kickstand. Is it? Oh, it's ready. Ready to go. Yeah. Oh wow. So you can really feel the motor cogging. Oh, I get what Jen means. So this one has a light kit and stuff, so it is technically legal. You can ride on the street. Oh, that's pretty fast. Wow. Oh yeah, just the dead end. Alright, I'll just... Whoa. Slide the rear. That's cool. So this one only has 6 kilowatts. I don't know how many horsepower there is. I'll put that on the screen, but it doesn't have enough to wheelie. I mean, maybe if you like popped it up. Yeah, actually, it's so light. That's cool. Wow, okay, I can't wheelie this thing. I need more practice, but I feel like with like 5 more minutes, I could, because wow, this is really like confidence inspiring, actually. Wow, that's a lot of fun. That's awesome. Wow. Oh no. You want me to turn around? I'll do it again. At the end of the day, this is basically a really powerful mountain bike, but so much fun. So much fun. Ooh. Now, serious business time. Well, we came here to really see the Sur-Ron Storm Bee. This is the newest model from Sur-Ron, not even out in the States yet. And where the Light Bee was a mountain bike, this is a proper dirt bike. It has 22.5 kilowatts, which is about 30 horsepower. Not as much as the 50 horsepower Alta dirt bikes had, but way less expensive and still in production. RIP Alta. Sur-Ron claims a range of 100 kilometers at 50 k's an hour, and we were told somebody tested out this very bike off-road, which is probably why it's covered in mud. And he said the range is ride as fast as you want for an hour straight. So that's pretty impressive. So it's super tall. It's a proper dirt bike. This thing is massive. Comes up to kind of my crotch. I guess that's normal, but oh, okay. Once you sit down, it's fine. You're totally flat foot. I'm about 6'2", so just if you're wondering, yeah, flat foot, it's fine. Really bouncy. I guess that's the range, 119 Ks. Oh yeah, just hold the brakes, that's it. You don't have to press any buttons. Alright. Ooh, that's cool. Wow, this thing is super tall. It just feels tall. Oh, but oh, this is great. Oh wow. Oh yeah, same as the other one. There's a rear brake on the left, mountain bike style. Wow, the sounds. Wow, that's strange. Oh, what was that? It kind of limited it. Oh, is it? What mode am I in? Hold on a second. Let's go to sport. 3? Oh, that's why. I was in like the middle mode. Oh, that wasn't sport? Holy crap. Oh wow. Oh wow, okay. This is jerky. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go out on the main road and see what this is like. Okay, sorry people. Wow, it is really twitchy in sport mode. And there's a turbo button. What does that do, guys? This is kind of my first, like, well, it's definitely my first time riding an electric dirt bike, but my first time riding kind of a supermoto style bike on the street. I know it has knobblies, but wow, this is wild. I suddenly understand the whole supermoto appeal. Yeah, let's go after this guy. Wow, handles so well. Oh, let's go this way. Just wow, okay. And then turbo. Okay, wow. I did not expect that sound. The sound from the motor, because like I really was just expecting like chain noise, right? Like for it to sound kind of like a RC car or something, but wow, that sounds cool. man, I'm pissing off all the old people. Sorry, I really don't know what the speed limit is here. I should have brought my kittens. And I'll just turn in here again. Wow, oh wow, handling is so good. Just leaning it over. Oh, I'll go down to the end again. Wow, that's fast. That is fast. And handling wise, just, oh, it's so good. So good. Wow. Ugh, okay. Yeah, the twitchy throttle is a little bit annoying. I mean, once you're going, it's awesome, but from no throttle to go throttle it's a bit much, but wow, that's cool. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, that's super cool. You sure you don't want to ride it?
Maybe I'll try it.
You should try it. It's squishy.
Yeah?
Yeah, super squishy. Yeah, I can even put it in mode 2. So I started off in mode 2,
yeah.
Which is, there's eco and then this little rain, I guess, in the middle, and then sport. This one's fine. Like it eases. I actually like that one more. Sport is like instant, kind of freaky. Yeah. The middle is good, but it limits your top speed, I think. I don't really know. I don't know. Yeah, you should try it. Huh? It goes good. Ooh. Huh?
Can you back it up for me?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah. Sure. Yep. You hold this, and then a little red pops up on the dash. And now I'm going in reverse.
That's cool.
Oh, actually, I'll put it down there.
Oh, thanks. In the divot?
This is Jen attempting to get on the Sur-Ron Storm-B. It's really tall, so I parked it in that little gutter. Oh yeah.
Wait, are you on eco? Eco mode.
In the middle.
Okay. Oh, in the middle?
Yeah.
Oops. Ah, thanks. Whee! Oh. Oh, this is a whole lot better than the other one. Oh, yeah, so much better. Oh, I keep going for that rear brake. Whee! Oh, I'm so short. Just look both ways before you go. Oh, I know I'm not going as fast as the other one, but it just feels better. Oh. Oh, U-turns. See, I'm used to, in the States, so I'm used to going the other way. Making left turns instead of right turns. Oh, this is nice. It's really nice. We signal. My one little zoom. I don't know if you can see my face, but I really like it.
That was fun, right?
It was so good. So good. It's a lot more stable than that one.
Yeah, it is. And like steering wise, it's
so much better.
So easy.
And yeah. Oh, this one's cool.
Cool, right?
Yeah. Thanks for letting me try.
Should we get one of these?
Yeah.
But put like Supermoto tires on it.
Was that gonna make it taller?
No, it's gonna make it shorter.
Oh, good. Yes.
Because it won't have all these knobblies. and it'll grip a lot better, and you can drift around the roundabouts in Wellington.
Yeah, and I used the rear brake when I was stopping over there.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, and it was like I was like, ooh, that's not so bad.
A little sliding.
Except I can't find the kickstand. I am short.
It's really far back and really high. Sorry, hold on.
Oh, where was it? Up here?
It was, yeah, pretty high. I'm glad you liked that.
Thanks. Oh, there we go. I was like, wow.
It is super tall though. Supermoto
That was
life.
a whole effort to get off the bike.
Yeah, so Jen was just saying there's no passengers on either one, but
This is where your cat can sit.
yeah. Take your cat to work day.
She would hate it.
Yeah, she would. She would hate it.
What's this?
Especially if you start doing wheelies. Did you try on this?
I just tried to go fast.
Okay.
And stood up on it. Did you get a wheelie?
I tried to bump it up a little bit, and you kind of could, but it needs a little bit more power.
You need a fat cat on the back.
You need a fat cat on the back. It helps with the wheelies. So with the Storm Bee, you can either take the battery out. You lift all this stuff up, and you take the battery out, kind of like the Light Bee, where you lift this up and then pull the battery out, and you can charge it at your house inside. Or if you just have something outside or in your garage or something, you can just pop that open, plug in there, you have an external charger, and you're good to go. I think it takes like an hour to charge, or an hour and a half, I'm not sure.
It's a good deal.
Not bad, actually, yeah. Not bad. Jen just pointed out that it's liquid cooled, so you have to do oil changes. Interesting. But I guess that means that it doesn't overheat, so that's cool. But yeah, just, what?
Go on.
Oh, no.
I just want to hear what the horn sounds like.
Oh, okay. You wanna honk the horn? Alright, Jen's gonna honk the horn. It's crazy.
It sounds like a goose. We gotta know these things.
Yeah, true. Very important. Potential buyers.
You think this one will sound the same?
I don't know. Okay, Light Bee horn test. Whoa, it's louder.
Sorry, I still don't. I know what's happening, but I'm sorry.
Turbo.
Turbo.
Did you hold that?
I did not do that at all.
I didn't really feel the difference, but
It's like having the cold button on your hairdryer.
it's kind of like hitting the what? Do what?
The cold button on your hairdryer.
What does that do?
The cold air comes out to help you pull your hair.
Oh.
You said it.
No, it's not like that. The turbo button is it's kind of like NOS. I think you just hold it, and you hold it for as long as you can, or as long as you want. Maybe there's a limit, like 20 seconds or something, like NOS. I don't know. I think the biggest thing I'm excited about is how much the modding community has embraced the Light Bee. You know, there's that aftermarket 72 volt battery you can get, and the BAC controller. So you can basically have the same power as the Storm Bee on a Light Bee, which translates to power wheelies all day. So when the modders get their hands on the Storm Bee, just imagine 3 times the power, a higher top speed, or even a lighter weight battery that has way more range that fits in the same space, and maybe even fast charging. I know what you're saying though, this isn't a bike Jen can take on road trips. Although that's true, the fun factor with the Storm Bee is pretty huge. And these are just the first bikes we've test ridden. We still have so many other electric motorcycles to ride. Well, that was fun. Thanks, Sur-Ron, and thanks Black Sheep Trading in Christchurch. You guys are awesome. So, what bike should we ride next?
Something with 2 wheels.
Something
electric.
Electric. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Wow, look what we found. Super Soco TC Max. Run by the Christchurch City Council. Should we ride that one next? Alright, stay tuned.